right, not on the list, but I do like this low sodium vegetable broth for a soup I made, so I'm gonna get that. And Persian cucumbers for $2.99. These are organic. Let's get these. I do like to get the organic mango chunks here at Trader Joe's for $2.99 for a pound, so I'm going to get some of those. And they don't have organic pineapple, but it is $1.99 for frozen, so since I'm here, I'm going to get one package. And then organic wild blueberries for $2.29 in the frozen section. And I've been using this cauliflower gnocchi. It's $2.99 for a package in a soup that I'm making, so I'm going to get one package of that. These are a staple in our house, these ABC bars for $3.69. These are vegan. These are great for breakfast. Okay, and I like these organic tortilla chips for $3.99. And this is the organic tofu I normally get here for $1.89. I did already just buy this at Aldi, so I am going to get this other tofu though, because this one is really delicious for $2.49. This organic buttery spread often, so I'm going to get some of that for $3.60. Organic strawberry preserves for $3.99. This is really good. Reduced sugar strawberry preserves. And this is where I buy my stevia extract for $6.99. We use this every morning in our coffee. And organic unbleached all-purpose flour for $5.49 for 5 pounds is a great deal. All right, just finished at Trader Joe's. I found so many great deals on organic food this week. As always, Trader Joe's is always coming in hot with the organic food deals. This is one of my other favorites. This is not organic, but it is vegan, and definitely when I have a busy day of shopping, I always need to bring some extra food with me, or I need to purchase something while I'm at the grocery store to eat because I got to keep up with my protein intake. So this is a vanilla almond spice chai protein smoothie. It's got chai tea, almond, coconut cream, and exotic spices, and it's a good source of protein. One serving has 15 grams of protein. Here's the ingredients. So I'm going to have this now, and I'm hoping that I have time to swing by Walmart today. So if so, I'll be recording a video for that. If not, this is the last of the videos of my organic shopping haul this week. So thanks for watching today, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Okay, and this is the Trader Joe's organic non-dairy soy beverage. This is 32 ounces for $2.29, and this is actually my preferred one to purchase. It's got 4 servings, 9 grams of protein. It's got iron, potassium, calcium, and I like this because the ingredients are just water and organic soybeans. There is another brand that you can get on Amazon that is similar ingredients as well. I can't remember. I think it's West Soy. I'd have to double check, but I just want to share with you, those are the 3 organic soy beverages that are available, and price comparisons and ingredient comparisons.